Back like we never left. What is good, everybody? Today's video, it's the narcissist's best kept secret. Now you already know how I get down. I don't like to waste time and I'm ready to get into it. So let's do that right now. They know that they fucked up your life. They know that their motives were always to destroy you, that they never had any pure intentions, that they never be happy with any of your effort or your love, that they don't love themselves, feel like nothing they do will ever be good enough. They knew they would never show you respect, that the trauma from their past was never going to be addressed during that relationship, marriage, the kids, was only going to keep you around longer, that the times they'd rage out about something you did or you didn't do wasn't actually about you. None of it was. This was all an inside job that the narcissist will never fucking handle. And let me say that again because I don't think you heard me clearly. The narcissist will never fucking handle their own problems. And I know good and damn well you didn't expect someone this selfish to ever take accountability for messing up that manipulation shit. They won't ever take accountability for their own personal situation, their financial fuck ups, or their inability to treat people with respect. You think they about to change for a new supply? It takes decades of work to get this diabolical. It takes decades of not having empathy and compassion to get this delusion about what they deserve without any reciprocity. That's right, the narcissist's best kept secret, they know they ain't shit and they know they ain't ever gonna be shit. And guess what? That is the only truth they will ever fucking live in. Sure, they'll put on a great show out in public, they'll make promises of change, they may even act the part for a few hours a day, but they will never, ever change. And I saw this powerful quote before making this video that I'm gonna paraphrase that said, narcissistic personality disorder is the only condition where the patient is left alone, but everybody else in their fucking life needs treatment. And I want you to understand, and overstand that shit for a second. They are the ones who run away from accountability so much that what they put you through, the lies and the cheating, the gaslighting, rejection, and lack of care for someone they love, leaves us survivors lost in having to heal their wounds. Oh, but don't think that makes them go live any better of a life. Nah, see, money, status, happy pics on social media, sex, new supplies don't mean shit to someone who's trying to feel a hole that no other person will ever feel. All of that is just a fucking distraction from the real pain they'll never address, and the real trauma they'll never process through, the real abandonment that they'll just project on everybody else when they claim they don't know why everybody always abandons them, until the end of their life. They will play victim, not ever know what love, like real, meaningful, long-lasting, and intentional love, truly looks and feels like. They'll be alone, they'll be delusional, and they'll be the same pitiful fucking version of a toddler in an adult's body that you experienced during that manipulation shit. So yeah, best kept secret type shit. As always, thank you to every single one of you for tuning in and checking out this video today. If you're new to the channel, become official to the squad. Hit that subscribe button and that bell notification down bottom. Become an official part of a team that will always push you towards personal greatness. I'll be back soon with another new video, but in the meantime, have an amazing day. Stay strong and stay inspired, and as always, until I see you guys next time, peace.